Go give it to Grandma.
Okay. Say 9. Oh, thanks. Ready? Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, darn. You see?
I see it. I see it. Go get it. Yes. Yep, I see it. We get it?
You got it? Whoa! Yay! Oops. Yay, thanks. Oh, thanks. Another one or you're done? Done? Oh, shoo. Say shoo, I had enough. Bye. You want the ball? Oh, okay. Ready? Oh, darn. That was a dud. See, that's a dud. Go get it. Get it, baby. Thanks. Yay. 10? Oh, take a rest. I'm sorry. Say hey. Hey. Say hey, what you doing?
Hi. Hi, Kenna. With your belly. With your belly. Oh, there's your belly. With your nose. Oh, there's your nose. With your ears. Oh, there's your ears. With your face. With your toes. Oh, way down there. With your hair. With Uncle's hair. With Uncle's hair. Oh, I don't know. Oh. With Uncle's hair. None. With Grandma's hair. With Grandma's hair. Oh. Oh. Bob. With your fingers. With your fingers. All of them. All of your fingers. Peace. With peace. Peace. Yeah. With Grandma.
Peace. He's my friend. Oh. You got it. Ready? Need enough workout?
All done?
Say yep. Say that was enough.
And that is Kenna playing ball with Grandma.